How to get W2 form from Walmart. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access and download your W2 form from Walmart using iPhone or Android. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're going to go to any of the search engine and you're going to search for one Walmart and then press go. And once you do so, you're going to click on this link over here, that is one Walmart, and then you got to wait for it to get opened. Once it does so, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to click on these three horizontal lines at the top left, and then you're going to click on me, and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom till you find this option, that is Walmart alumni and former employee info, W2 pay stub, Cobra insurance option. So you're going to click on this one, and once you do so, you will be redirected to another interface of the form. So once you're here, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and here is W2. So you're going to click on W2, and then you'll be redirected to another interface of W2. So here you can see some frequently asked questions about W2. When will my W2 be available? Paper copies will be postmarked by January 31st. Online copies should be available online mid-January. And how do I log into mytaxform.com? So you can simply visit this website, and you can also see that do I have to be signed up to view my W2 online? How do I sign up for online delivery? I've signed up to get my W2 online. Now what is Walmart's federal tax number? So you're going to simply head over to this interface and get everything you want, and you can also get W2 form. So that was how you can get your W2 form from Walmart. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.